Alright guys, we got a 2011 BMW M3. Really nice car, lowered, got some nice set of wheels on it. And when we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there and there. Then it's got an aftermarket X pipe system and two resonators right there and right there. They look like vibrants kind of style. And then he brought his own bolt-on kit by Meisterschaft. I can never say the word. Meisterschaft system. Is there any part number somewhere? No. Yeah, there's no part. Anyways, it's a Meisterschaft system. As you guys can see right there. Always box issues. Always have issues with the boxes. Anyways, but because he had this aftermarket kit on it done before, we weren't able to bolt it on, so we welded it on for him. As you guys can see right there, it's a full stainless steel system. There it is, right there. And it also comes with valves that he's gonna get installed somewhere else because they gotta run the electric to him. As you guys can see. So we have the valves open. If you can see them inside of there, they're open at this moment. So it'll be full straight pipe right now. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. This is the original exhaust system that was on it. So basically he just lost about 100 pounds right there and gained more horsepower out of it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, that's nice. It's not too much. Nice. I like it. Sound decibels again? Almost 120. That's clean though. You see how clean the sound is? No rasp, nothing. If you want it louder, we can put a set or two out. They put the aftermarket set around. If you want it louder, we can do that. Drive it for a couple of weeks, see how you like it.
How is that closed?
They're open. They're open. Yeah, it's not that on. I wouldn't leave it like that.
Yeah, I would too. Yeah.
Go ahead and back it up. That's nice. I like it.
18s is the way to go, man.
Yeah.
Bigger than that.
No. You'll have problems out of it if you do. What do you guys think? I think it sounds good. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW M3. Oh, beautiful.